Guys,
you should subscribe to my channel. Just by the way.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so today we got some ingredients for slime. We're gonna go to her house, and we are going to make slime. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
Hey,
and
you should,
it's a sleepover vlog.
You should subscribe to my channel.
Okay, we'll show you when we get
We're
there.
back.
We just got in the car, as you can see, and we have all of our ingredients, as you know. Has been a big thing.
But kind of not anymore.
Not anymore. Soap gloss, soap crunching is the thing, you know. And yeah, so we're gonna have a sleepover, but I just need to go to my house and get some stuff, and then I'm going over there. And you might see someone else, but okay. So guess what slime we're making? Oh, you have 5 seconds. Okay, actually 10. That's a lie. 10. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, add another finger in there. 10, 9, stop, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you lose. If you guessed white slime, you were incorrect.
White slime.
If you, glossy slime, I mean. And if you guessed clear slime, you were correct. Oh, mundo.
You know how to make slime?
Yes, mother.
Not you. I know you don't know how to make truthfully.
Yeah. You're embarrassing me. I'm here with Ruby and one of my friends is coming over. But I just wanted to show you the ingredients that you will need. Okay, so clear glue. Oh, not sponsored. Okay. Another clear glue if you want to make a jumbo batch.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh yes, subscribe to her channel. Very.
What is upside down RJ?
Wait, hold on. Hydrant care plus.
Did we get the wrong one?
No. Contact lens solution. Yeah, okay.
Sorry about the terrible lighting. Deal with
Hold on, do we have another light in here?
it. Yeah. Probably won't do anything.
Oh, you want to see? And we're going to do an ASMR thing in a separate video. It's going to be very cringy, but we're trying, okay? Hold on, let me get another slime. So, if you guys want us to do more slime videos, then subscribe to me and her. She has 48 and I have 10. No, actually 12. If you subscribe. So, and, well, are you not going to get a separate one or just?
No, my mom only said one.
Okay, so we're just going to get one big batch. I feel bad because I'm very controlling. I'm like, no!
Oh well.
But we are going to get this big container. So we're gonna get that in slow-mo. Oh. Anyways, we're just waiting, so I'll be right back. Oh, that was a little much.
Oh. Can you call her real quick?
Hey, my dad's putting on this case and then I'll should be on my way.
Your dad's is putting on what?
My case that I got because it's really hard to put on.
Oh, your case.
Yeah, I should be on my way soon. Where are you guys at? Are you like at the top of the bridge of your apartment?
What?
I'll go see you.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna show you what I got.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Did you see my ice pack?
Yeah, it's really cute.
No.
Yeah, and we're gonna do in another video. She's gonna do her channel. Do you want to do it on my phone in better
Yeah.
quality, and then I'll send you the clip. So that's what we're gonna do.
I didn't know it was recording.
Oh, it was. What did you say? I'm just gonna wait.
It's just smaller, so it's easier to carry.
I got my school clothes and my school stuff.
I'm getting my school clothes.
We went to-
You know that NASA shirt?
Come on, sit back here so they can see.
We went to like
So I'm getting a
Walmart.
NASA shirt, and then like I'm getting some leggings, and I'm gonna get some boots.
Okay, so you need is this thing. And then we're going, okay, so let's get started, okay?
Like,
Yeah, that was just
nothing.
for real. Hold on, where's the other glue?
my brother goes, "You're gonna get money from the lemonade stand?" I'm like, "I don't even know." He goes, "We're gonna do it tomorrow." Fair. Here's a spoon.
And we'll do a vlog of that day too. We're just gonna.
Yeah, if we do it. Wait, where's the glue? Other glue.
I don't know. We were throwing it around.
I thought I like literally just saw it. It's right here. Oh, yeah.
Knew
I
that.
was like, yeah. Hey,
Hold it.
bro, this is.
Hold
I paid for it. I paid for it.
Well, I'll let you mix.
I love the
I'll let you
bubbles.
mix. Yeah.
That
That
sounds
is so
oink.
mature. Yeah, it does not sound
Scoot
like
over.
an oink. Bruh! Like 50 cents down the drain. There's a lot of residue on the glue thing.
This isn't a lot.
Oh well, we're gonna have to take turns.
I've never made fun, so I'm just like watching.
I thought you have.
I have, but it wasn't like slime, you know what I mean?
No, it was like you mixed it with putty.
Yeah, pretty much. I was like, this isn't slime, but okay.
I'm getting impatient. Okay, now, what you need is the contact solution.
Wait, don't we have to add more stuff? Who
I
knows?
think
We're
that's
just
all. We'll
mixing
just
things.
see.
We'll see. We're experiencing.
Let me see your nails. Did you get those done at the salon or?
Yeah,
Nice. You have really small hands.
I know. Twins.
My hands are huge.
I'm so mad. Both of my grandma's cats might die. Well, one already has, but you know what I mean. And
Wait.
then the baby should be okay. It's not gonna die, but it's not always gonna be fully there. Yeah. But okay.
Okay, a little bit at a time, y'all.
Mix it.
With that one. With that one.
Not with that one.
Okay, pour some in.
Eat some of the eggs, Ruby. That's just going in the cat, Ruby.
Bruh! Ruby, I swear. Wait, is it not working?
It's working.
Kind of. No.
Use a spoon.
Huh. It's better with this. I can't tell if it's coming together.
It is. Wait, what else do we need inside? I have no idea. Laundry detergent. No.
Because that would make it not clear. Hold on.
That will.
Don't we need like... Y'all, if this turns out, if this doesn't turn out right, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna be like, this
Okay,
is...
where's your phone? We need to look this up.
Yeah, don't let us touch it. Don't let us touch the phone now that I think about it. You touch it.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Dad, I'm here. Don't use it. We're not, because we probably won't do the lemonade stand tonight, though. We're doing slime instead. What the heck is slime, Dad? What is slime? In their house.
Yeah. So if it looks like that, you're doing it right. I know.
Yeah, we're doing
Oh, we have contacts.
okay.
We gave us contacts. I'm using them.
Yeah, but those are for Siri. What the heck is slime? What is slime, Dad? Those are for You know we can go inside her house.
Now?
Yeah, we could. Yeah.
Well, I don't know about me, but...
Yeah. You're at my house.
Okay, we still asked your mom if you could come to the mall alone.
You guys were in the mall alone?
No.
Well, we basically were.
Not really, because my mom was there. My
Yeah,
mom
but like we were at like the other side of the store. Lucky, I'm not allowed to even be 2 steps away from my dad. I'm like, Dad, I can't wait till I'm 16. I can just do whatever I want. Okay, look up what we have to use.
What we messed up on.
I think we have to. What kind of slime are we making?
Clear.
Clear. Just
Go on Google, because, you know, they have everything. I mean, sometimes. Sometimes I just really don't like Google. Sorry. Oh, wait, I can't say that. We work for Google. YouTube. Love you, Google.
I just totally forgot about this.
I know, you can tell. I can tell. Sorry. I don't know what's up with this. Like,
I thought this is how you make slime.
I thought this was too, Ruby.
I thought laundry detergent. That's what I thought.
I mean, it's kind of bubbling up.
Yeah, but we're forgetting one thing. Do you guys want whatever? Here.
My
Just
hair's
normal
so
slime.
sticky.
Well,
No,
duh,
just
you need a
here's
mixing bowl.
Let me see.
A spoon, spatula.
Sorry.
Let's
Yeah.
have it. It's
Did you put clear slime? You have to make clear slime.
Yes.
Warm water, baby oil,
Warm water.
I was gonna say I have coconut
And baby oil,
but
not baby oil.
Do you have baby oil?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it.
Rod. It's just a rod.
Is this a protective case?
Yeah. We got it at 5 and below, so I mean, it's kind of like a cute version. Of
And
auto-
borax, and go get some detergent. Laundry detergent, same thing.
Same thing.
Pretty much. So we are just going to keep mixing.
We're so lucky. I've always wanted a cord like this because but it's an iPhone, so it doesn't take that kind of like, you know.
You got an iPhone 7 Plus. I've had this one.
I have an iPhone 7, so I mean they're pretty close. This case will
They're
fit
just like-
that, you know. I'm pretty sure.
See, look, it's a smaller.
That's weird because like it said it would fit 6, 7, and 8.
We will be right back.
You know what? Like that for my kind of thing.
That's weird. So mine works.
So it's almost done.
Oh,
that's
bro.
almost
I
done.
think you're supposed to knead it with your hands now. Okay, we're about to add a little more. It's not clear anymore. It's blue. So that's
It's like a blue is clear. Yeah.
yes, pretty much. Ooh.
You have to wash your hands up. If that's a word.
So we are going to do.
I think I just ruined it, but good
No, she
job,
made jiggly
Ruby.
slime.
It's just like blame it on Ruby. No, I'm just kidding. Let's just keep on mixing.
I think you're supposed to. Okay, put some more detergent. I know, Ruby, but just one.
Be careful, Ruby. Oh well, there's still a bunch left.
I'll pay back.
So
It's a really pretty color though. It's worth it. I mean, we can make like a really purple or red, like.
I have
like
food
this
coloring, but it's at my mom's. I have food coloring too, but it's like the liquid. Like it's. Oh, it's beautiful. We're all splitting this.
I think if I should keep it, comment down below. I don't know about this.
I don't
It's
know.
not-
Like that does not look like slime.
Okay, Ruby. I think you're making it worse.
I was gonna say, I think you're making it worse. You're just gonna make it water slime.
I mean, Ruby, stop.
Oh, no, we need more. No, we need
more.
No, we need more glue.
Blue. Okay, put some more in there because there's some little left.
I thought you said glue, lady.
Ruby, this is too much.
Oh well.
Hey, we still got some glue left. Okay, put it in, Samantha, please. Okay. I should have changed now that I think about it.
I was gonna say, oh well, okay.
There's not a lot, but I might do the trick. Come on, where'd it go?
This is like, where did this water in there?
Yeah, like water solves everything.
Yeah, seriously. Oh my god, it's like so.
I mean, we
Oh, that's
made
right.
slime. I'm not gonna lie.
Get out. It's a little sticky. Angelina.
Get out.
Hi.
Put some more on.
Oh my god,
Contact
it's,
solution.
now it gets out right when I take it off the bowl. Yay, we got some. Yeah. Oh, I'm
Okay.
getting some out.
I mean, it's really sticky with your hands.
I'm like using all my strength to squeeze this thing.
Whew. Now, can you get the thing out, Ruby? The
What
spoon?
thing?
Hold on.
I don't know.
I don't know if I can.
Okay, I think that's like all
Okay, get
that's
it all
gonna
of it
come
out.
out.
Okay. Get most of it
Oh, it feels gross. I don't like it. Oh, that just made a sound. It's like a
My
baby
hand
blue
is
now.
sticky. Okay,
Oh, it's slime.
kind of.
Look,
Why is it not being stored? Yeah, we don't need more glue now. 'Cause
it's sticky.
so we need more activator.
Ooh. Okay, so Samantha, we need you. Put some more.
Activator. Not that thing.
You just put the slime
I
in
know,
the
'cause
water.
I
I don't want to put it on the towel.
It's Spider-Man.
Yeah, like. You know what we're doing for my birthday party?
Spider-Man thing.
No, not just that.
Girl Spider-Man.
Yeah, and more. And we're making
I think it's kind of there.
look, we just have to
Next
knead
time
it.
you make slime,
What do you think? Do it with your hand.